On today's Try to Finish Something, I want to start by saying thank you to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. I'm up over 100 subscriptions, and that means that there are at least 100 people that care, or pretend to care. I'm fine with either of those. You care what it is that I'm doing every Tuesday and Friday. And for that, I want to thank you. I've mentioned I've come from a long line of radio, and radio is all about bribing listeners to either listen longer or remain loyal to the radio station, and I'm not above bribery. In fact, if it's actually a term, I'm well below bribery. In fact, so much so that I've printed up some Try to Finish Something nerd shirts. Look at that. High quality shirts, and I'd love to send you one. Here's how you get yourself a shirt. You're already a subscriber. Get someone else to subscribe. If they subscribe, you email me their name at trytofinishsomething@gmail.com. trytofinishsomething@gmail.com. Or leave their name down below. If they subscribe, you're in the drawing to win yourself a brand new shirt. You tell me the size, boom, I send it to you. The drawing will be on the 22nd, so you've got just over a week to get yourself in that drawing for a shirt. If you don't want to go through all the hassle and you just want yourself a shirt, I'm going to get greedy. You get 10 people to subscribe, and I'll just send you a shirt right now. Super easy. 10 new subscriptions, I send you a shirt. I don't know if you get new people or if it's your husband, wife, kids. I would love it if you'd get new subscribers, but you could cheat. I don't really care. You get subscriptions to the channel and you get yourself a shirt. Now, on today's Try to Finish Something, I've got my Mandalorian kit. I've made some alterations, I've got a couple updates, and I'm again going to try and submit for 501st approval. And that's what I'm going to do on today's Try to Finish Something. So here is the main issue with my approval of The Mandalorian into the 501st. If you look at the marked up version of the Mandalorian mannequin at D23, look at where the red line hits under the chest armor and how much of that flak vest hangs below. Then look at the codpiece on the cummerbund where it hits on the pants. Now here's my submission photo. The sizing is all off. My flak vest is too wide, it's too long below the chest armor, and the codpiece is too long. It covers my whole cod. Ugh, never mind. The other note is the triangles on the back of my hand plates were a darker blue than the top blue on the shoulder armor. You know, it's hard jumping out to make a costume when the show first airs. I've been working on this since season 1 of The Mandalorian. Yes, I know, it's taken me forever. That's why I started this whole darn channel. When I started, the nerd group said the triangles were a much darker blue. Now there have been more episodes and the show details are better, which makes my kit less accurate. Anyway, a quick repaint of those and to weather them. Now, to remake the entire flak vest. I need to take it all apart, then go inside and grab some tan thread from my daughter's thread stash. This isn't good. Those markers were not there on the floor. Oh, my shore trooper took a dive into the concrete floor. Looks like most of the damage is to the blast shield on the helmet. It's full of hairline cracks. I guess I'm going to have to fix that later. Not happy. Anyway, time to remake this. Make it shorter. Make it narrower. And I have to sew that stitch line up a bit from the bottom and to re-sew the codpieced cummerbund thing. Now, before I suit up, did you get a chance to see that ABC News Star Wars Day coverage?
Our Marcus Allen in Auburn talking to a local media star about his Out of This World podcast. Mark.
Yeah, check this out, Walt. If you've seen the ad for Mandalorian, and by the way, if you love hot dog on a stick, you're going to love Stormtrooper on a stick. This is an exact replica of the Stormtrooper featured in the ad for The Mandalorian and created by the guy that I'm trying to hide for the big reveal. That is Shawn Cash, everybody. Step up to the camera, Mr. Shawn Cash. If you grew up in the 80s, 90s, and 2000s, you remember Shawn and Jeff. This would be the Shawn Cash. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
All right, so post-radio, you have this podcast, this YouTube channel that's doing quite well, and it's called...
Try to finish something.
And what do you do on Try to Finish Something?
Try to finish something.
It's really remarkable. Take a look at his channel as he walks you through the steps of tackling on something he wants to do. You wanted to create in this specific episode Mandalorian gun.
I would go to the 3D printer. I would spend about 72 hours printing out of filament, and then I would meticulously sand and paint until I finished the project I was working on.
All right, and back here live, like I've been on the set of Mandalorian. I've been on the set of many a Star Wars film, and this looks like ready. It's shoot worthy. It's camera worthy. Have you ever thought about doing this for movies?
I would love to. It's one of those things that I always wanted to do as a kid, but never had the opportunity. So I figured it's never too late to start.
Oh, this is so cool. And by the way, join me on Facebook Live in a minute. I'm going to go on a deeper dive in this. In the other room, your Radio Life representative. An autographed guitar from NXS.
Yep.
NXX. It's hard to get everything through this mask. Michael Hudson signed your guitar, and a lot of other rock stars. Congratulations on the transition into your post-radio life. You're doing well, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right. Like you, follow you where?
Try to Finish Something on YouTube.
Got it. And a big segment debuting today in honor of this Star Wars Day, which is?
I don't know.
You don't. I just saw like there was a countdown clock saying dropping in 5 hours, something.
You're talking about The Bad Batch. Yes, The Bad Batch on Disney+.
All right, and it's pretty cool. All right, on this May the 4th be with you day. Look, he's got Trooper and Jawas. Back
Love
to
it.
you.
Okay, I remember Shawn and Mark and all that, and Shawn and Jeff, the great radio show. Thanks.
That was really cool. A big thank you to Mark S. Allen and the team from ABC 10. Okay. Quick suit up and to take some photos. Here's the moneymaker, the reshoot of the front where I had all of the problems. Sizing looks way better, still have some things I may adjust, but the photos are off for a second round of approval. Fingers crossed. Make sure you get someone else to subscribe to get yourself into the drawing for the free t-shirt or 10 subscribers and bypass the drawing altogether. Details in the video description, and as always, if you didn't like the video, please keep it to yourself. And we'll see you next time as we try to finish something.